Hello everyone. Welcome to the Dime Technology. If you are planning to build a professional e-commerce website using ASP.NET Core, then this video will help you understand why nopCommerce is one of the best solutions for modern online businesses. We specialize in nopCommerce development, custom plugin creation, store customization, and complete e-commerce solutions for startups, growing businesses, and enterprise-level companies. Today, we will show you how nopCommerce can help businesses grow faster while saving development cost and maintenance time. Introduction to nopCommerce. nopCommerce is a powerful open-source e-commerce platform built using ASP.NET Core and Microsoft SQL Server. It is secure, scalable, flexible, and suitable for both small businesses and large enterprise stores. One of the biggest advantages of nopCommerce is that businesses can customize almost every part of the system according to their workflow. From simple online stores to multi-vendor marketplaces, nopCommerce gives complete flexibility. What we can build using nopCommerce. At the Dime Technology, we help businesses with complete nopCommerce store development, custom theme design, plugin development, payment gateway integration, shipping and tax configuration, multi-vendor marketplace setup, API integration, store migration from Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, speed optimization, bug fixing, and maintenance. We focus on both technical development and business usability. That means the system is not only functional, but also easy to manage for store owners. Our development process. Our process is simple and structured. Step 1, requirement discussion. We first understand your business goals, products, customer flow, and required features. Step 2, planning. We prepare the project structure, database flow, plugin requirements, and system architecture. Step 3, design and customization. We customize the store design, branding, layout, and user experience. Step 4, development. This includes plugin development, payment integration, shipping setup, and custom feature implementation. Step 5, testing. We test mobile responsiveness, security, performance, order processing, and payment flow. Step 6, deployment. We deploy the store on hosting and configure the live environment. Step 7, support. We provide post-launch support, updates, fixes, and guidance. Real project examples. We have worked on different nopCommerce projects including multi-vendor marketplace, a platform where multiple vendors can register, upload products, and manage orders independently. Custom payment gateway integration. Integrated local payment systems with secure transaction flow and custom API connection. WooCommerce to nopCommerce migration. Migrated customer data, products, and order history safely without losing information. Speed optimization. Improved website performance through caching, database optimization, and image loading improvements. Custom plugin development. Built plugins for custom shipping calculation and business-specific workflows. Business benefits of nopCommerce. Many businesses choose nopCommerce because plugins can be reused for multiple businesses. Features can be extended without rebuilding the entire system. APIs support easy mobile app integration. Businesses can use the same backend for both web and mobile applications. Maintenance is easier because the platform is modular. It supports long-term scalability. This helps businesses reduce future development cost. Industries we support. We work with multiple industries including fashion and clothing, electronics, grocery and retail, furniture and home decor, medical products, automotive, B2B e-commerce, multi-vendor marketplace, subscription-based stores, creative and branding businesses. Why businesses work with us? Clients work with us because we provide clean and scalable development, practical business-focused solutions, fast communication, long-term technical support, flexible customization, front-end and back-end expertise. We believe in building stable systems that businesses can grow with. If you are planning to build a nopCommerce website, upgrade your existing store, develop custom plugins, or migrate from another platform, we would be happy to help you. Feel free to contact the Dime Technology for consultation and project discussion. And yes, we also provide 30 days free support service after project completion for bug fixing, guidance, and minor improvements. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce and development-related content.